My basic class is to teach people about how to do research, and I do this in two ways. I teach a class here periodically during some of the modules on how to deal with information, how to gather information, how to analyze information, and then I meet with students one-on-one on a fairly regular basis to talk to them about their own personal projects. And I'm not the only one who does this. Sudhir Venkatesh, who's also on the academic team.
Great use of going inside an organization.
The purpose of this is to help people understand how they can use information in their thesis. So for a lot of the people coming in here, they use information all the time in their daily lives in terms of constructing projects, all kinds of information that they require in order to do the kind of work that they do. But often gathering research information has a little bit different character to it, and I work to introduce students to how they might gather that information, and also when they're given information in their own positions, in their own jobs, how they might evaluate it.
The puzzle is that the data is actually answered.
Oftentimes my job is to convert somebody's passion into a project. So something that they really love, that they really want to do, how to articulate that in a way that's a research project, not just an idea that they're passionate about. I tend to be in contact with just about everyone as they send work, as they look for feedback.
Generating proof for something doesn't mean gathering as much information.
I think that there's two skills that people gain when trying to construct a research project. The first skill is understanding research that they get from other people. So one of the best ways to understand the research that you get from a consultant that you might be asking for information from, or from other members of your firm, one of the best ways to make sense of that is to know how to do it yourself. The second skill that people gain in gathering research around their projects is feeling like they have an evidential basis for what they're doing. So a lot of times we have lots of passion around a project, we have lots of interest around something, but being able to say, I know that I don't just feel strongly about this, I'm probably right. Like, I have a lot of evidence that I can bring to bear on this, and that capacity is really important for empowering people to feel like when they're moving forward in the right ways.